Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with TransUnion, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the TransUnion website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your TransUnion account after creating it. Navigate to the budgeting section of the website. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available. Click on the budgeting tool to begin. Input your monthly income sources. Include all income streams, such as salary and side gigs. Next, list your fixed expenses. These may include rent, mortgage, utilities, and insurance. After that, add your variable expenses. These can be groceries, entertainment, and transportation costs. Review your inputted information for accuracy. Now, analyze the summary of your budget. Check if your expenses exceed your income. If they do, consider adjusting your variable expenses first. Use TransUnion's insights to help identify areas for savings. Explore budgeting tips provided by TransUnion for better management. Set financial goals based on your budgetary needs. These could include saving for emergencies or paying off debt. Utilize TransUnion's tracking features to monitor your progress. Make adjustments to your budget as necessary each month. Stay consistent in reviewing your budget regularly. Leverage alerts and notifications from TransUnion to stay informed. Celebrate your budgeting milestones to keep motivated. Continue refining your budget until it aligns with your financial goals. Utilize TransUnion resources for credit monitoring and improvement. Engage with the community for support and advice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.